How to change gender on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change gender on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on edit profile button. And now here, once you are in this section, what you can do is simply scroll down, and there you'll see the gender icon. So there you can just tap on edit button next to it, and after that you can just tap on gender option and set it to female. And once you're done with that, you can just tap on save, and after that your gender will be updated immediately. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.